Solara Labs is a specialty nutraceutical company. We're celebrating 15 years. We specialize and manufacture dietary supplements, which are vitamins, herbal products. We are a fully integrated company. We do our own development. We do our own manufacturing, packaging, warehousing, and fulfillment. We try to deal with major e-commerce companies, so we need to have full traceability of these products from the moment they are manufactured and they go into the interstate of commerce. We have to have full control of everything we do and assure good safety and compliance. The company was founded here in South Florida, in the Miami area. We have consolidated all our development, manufacturing, and operations in this facility here in Miami Gardens. Our line of products, they melt in your mouth and they contain no sugars, no calories, and no artificial colors or ingredients or genetically modified substances. We have full traceability control, and that's what we're trying to get ourselves with more automatizations and systems that can allow us to check into every control from the moment that comes in into the moment it goes out. We need to implement systems where full compliance and full controls of the directions of making the formula and the process are followed through. And in this case, we selected SAP Business One because it was one of the best solutions that we can have at this very moment. One of the most important things that we have found with SAP Business One is full traceability. Another thing that is also fundamental for us to make decisions is the accessibility of the data. I have information to the minute. For me, it's a fantastic tool to have in place. I can have the talent inside Solara, but it cannot be dependent on our own individuals. So we need to hire expertise that will help us implement the systems. So we did business with Consultare. At this moment, it's very important that we have the right partnership. That the partnership understand the growth that we're having, the implications, and also to be able to assist us as we grow with the implementation of these modules and training our people. And I do believe that Consultare is one of those companies that's going to be able to provide that to us. They walk us through the whole process, and we've been working together, and we expect to continue working together for a very long time. People struggling, using SAP, but once they have masterized the SAP utilization, they just love it, including myself. And that's the information that we want to have in our hands, in our equipment, in our machine, or even our mobile phone. What else can I ask?